I'm just taking you with me to clean today. I'm cleaning my countertop off this week. You see how everything has gotten accumulated. And it's just time to clean. I'm cleaning out my drawers. That needs to be cleaned out. We're cleaning out under here. Excuse me, Dominique. And we're cleaning under here. Yes, we just threw a lot of things in here, and so we're gonna get it together and get it organized. It's about that time. So let's get it started. So this is the view of the top counter cleaned and the mirror. So I cleaned the mirror. Has some streaks, but those are the streaks. You can see the little streaks. But this is the best I was able to get it clean with the little dishwashing soap and paper, newspaper. And it's pretty clear and clean. Just have these little streaks that the light is bringing on them, but it's very clear. So I got that very clean. And this is my counter. I did really good with that. Put a little baby oil on that to make it shiny. Clean sink. And that's a clean counter. So I got a whole clean space to decorate and try to create a Paris spa feeling for it. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Saw the mess in there, so I have to really organize up in there. Take everything out first. Alright, just coming back in. This is what the organization part underneath my sink countertop is looking like. I'm lining all the shampoos up to the side right now, and I have current products that I'm using, well, not using at the top. They're new or haven't been opened, and the top items at the top, I thought that would work with the drawer half out, but I'm seeing that'll be an issue with trying to pull this out. But I'm trying to figure out a good little system here to make it easy. These are all the products I'm working with. I can definitely just go through a few of them real quick. These are shampoos my sister gave me. I have L'Oreal, Total Repair, and Garnier Fructis. Aussie 3-minute curl miracle. It's not focused. Okay, there we go. Love this. It's definitely a staple. And I got this. This was I'm about to get one free. Something with some type of deal. So I got this. And it's a curl boosting glue. The rest are just products I use when I straighten my hair. So yeah, we're trying to get all of this, all the products that I'm still using, into here. I'm halfway down. With that, I threw a lot away. Just started grabbing stuff. Let me see if I can put all of these at the top. Quickly, this drawer right here, that's next to the sink. I already organized it quickly. I just have some little paper, some scissors, dental stuff, children's toothpaste, because sometimes they're in my bathroom, floss in this drawer. And we're going to come on over to here. Now this drawer, this is just my everyday makeup drawer, so I can grab all my little makeup, my little facial machine, makeup wipe. This is for my nails, to brighten my fingernails, and my everyday makeup that I wear. Just some makeup foundation, some Maybelline setting spray. That's Victoria's Secret hard candy. So yeah.